Hello student, today we are going to start your English grammar subject in standard 7th. Okay. I had shown in last video revision test until exercise 4, and then now let us start exercise number 5. Okay. So let us start. Exercise 5 is fill in the blanks with the correct choice of the words given within ब्रैकेट्स। यहाँ पर आपको जो भी ब्रैकेट्स दिए हैं उसमें से वर्ड फाइंड कर कर आपको आंसर लिखना है। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट, टुगेदर वी वेंट इनटू द ब्लैंक पार्क। सो ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा? डी आर डियर कि डी डबल ए आर डियर। पार्क में क्या होता है? तो डी डबल ए आर डियर। ओके, आंसर आएगा डी डबल ए आर डियर। Okay, the next second, the train was blank when he boarded it. The train was blank when he boarded it. So its answer is stationary. stationary, stationary. Okay, the next third, the entire blank of sleep was killed in the accident. So its answer is heard. Heard. Okay, the next fourth number, what is the railway blank from Delhi to Mumbai? So answer is fare, F-A-R-E, fare. Okay, the next 5 number, she writes a blank hand. She writes a blank hand. So its answer is legible, L-E-G-I-B-L-E. Okay, the next 6 number, the mother was blank to leave the hospital. So its answer is loathsome, L-O-A-T-H-S-O-M-E, loathsome. Okay, the next 7 number, many Indians sacrifice her lives on the blank of freedom. So its answer is altered, A-L-T-A-R, altered. Okay, the next 8 number, it was the most beautiful blank we had ever seen. So its answer is sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. The next, she tried many times but all in blank way. Blank में आएगा way. Okay. The next, it was a very blank problem. So its answer is K-N-O-T-T-Y, naughty. Okay, K-N-O-T-T-Y, naughty. The next, read the examples given below. You will find that two sentences can be joined easily with the use of to plus infinitive. किसे ज्वाइन करना है? टू प्लस इन्फिनेटिव. ओके, जो दो सेंटेंस दिए, दो सेंटेंस के बीच में क्या हमें ऐड करना है? टू. ओके, द नेक्स्ट, however you have to remember that to is used only for undesirable quality because to means undesirable excess. आप लोगों को याद ही होगा, टू मीन्स अनडिजरेबल एक्सेस, इसीलिए जो अनडिजरेबल क्वालिटी है उसमें ही टू यूज होगा. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए यहाँ पर, द रूम इज़ वेरी हॉट वी कैन नॉट स्लीप इन इट. तो दो सेंटेंस यहाँ पर दिए हैं, दो को जो हमें ज्वाइन करना है तो हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? टू. सो द रूम इज़ टू हॉट टू स्लीप इन, टू हॉट टू स्लीप हिम. यहाँ पर कैन नॉट दिया है पर हमें क्या लिखना है? इन्फिनेटिव लिखना है, इसीलिए नॉट निकाल दिया है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट, ही इज़ वेरी टायर्ड ही कैन नॉट वॉक एनी लॉन्गर. सो इट्स आंसर इज ही इज़ वेरी टायर्ड, सॉरी ही इज़, वेरी की जगह क्या लिखना है हमें? टू. ही इज़ T-O-O-2, टायर्ड टू TO2 वॉक एनी लॉन्गर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट, दो सेंटेंस के बीच TO2 आएगा और वेरी की जगह TOO2. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? द नेक्स्ट थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, दिस शर्ट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल आई कैन नॉट वियर इट. तो यहाँ पर वेरी की जगह आएगा TOO2 एंड स्मॉल के बाद आएगा TO2. 2. So this shirt is too small for me to wear. For me to wear. Okay. Then let me start exercise 6. Combine the pairs of sentences given below using to plus infinitive. जैसे एग्जाम्पल्स में किए वैसे यहाँ पर ही करना है. ओके, सो लेट मी स्टार्ट. This place is very noisy. I cannot study here. So its answer is this place. यहाँ पर किस की जगह place आएगा. ओके, this place is too noisy for me to study here. Okay, so this place is too noisy for me to study here. The next, he is very weak. He cannot walk this distance. So its answer is he is too weak to walk this distance. Okay. The next, Ravi is very poor. He cannot afford a new shirt. So Ravi is too poor to afford a new shirt. The next, the hill is very high. They cannot climb it. So its answer is the hill is too high for them to climb. The next, 5th number, she is very sensitive. She cannot bear this shock. So its answer is she is too sensitive to bear this shock. The next, people are very excited. They will not listen to reason. So its answer is people are too excited to listen to reasons. Okay. The next, this room is very small. It cannot accommodate all of us. So its answer is this room is too small to accommodate all of us. The next, 8th number, children are very restless. They will not sit quietly. So its answer is children are too restless to sit quietly. The next, his behavior is very rude. She will not approve of it. So its answer is his behavior is too rude for her to approve of it. The next, this salary is very low. She cannot live on it. So its answer is this salary is too low for her to live on. Okay. So exercise 6 is completed, and the next exercise number 7. Fill in the blanks with one of the preposition given in bracket. यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में preposition दिए, तो जो भी करेक्ट preposition है वो इसमें लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Since she become acquainted blank him, she has become more confident. So क्या आएगा आंसर में? with him. Okay. The next, from his behavior it is quite clear that he is contemptuous blank public opinion. So its answer is of public opinion. Okay. The next, 3rd, threats will not deter me blank doing my duty. So its answer is from doing my duty. Okay. The next, rivers of peninsular India are quite different blank the river of northern India. So its answer is from the rivers of northern India. The next, I am no match blank him in mathematics. So its answer is 4. 4. Okay. The next, earlier this place was inhabited blank nomad tribes. So its answer is by nomad tribes. The next, I cannot give him credit blank all that he bought blank. So for all that he boasts of. Okay. The next, let us not confuse library blank license. So its answer is with license. Okay. The next, every man is somewhat susceptible blank flattery. So its answer is TO2. Okay. The next 10 number. We are accountable blank God blank our actions. So to God for our actions. The next 11 number. For those who suffer blank favor the remedy lies blank perfect rest. So first में आएगा from, second में आएगा in. The next, the patient is now free blank danger, he is free blank money, the goods were passed free blank duty. So its answer is from danger, he is free with money, the goods were passed for free of duty. Okay. The next, he parted blank his friends in high spirit, he parted blank his property and become a sant. So its answer is from and second में आएगा with. The next 14 number. There is no expectation blank this rule with the expectation blank of chairman. Everyone was present. She took expectation blank my remark. So its answer is expectation to this rule with the expectation of the chairman. Everyone was present. She took expectation to my remark. Okay. The next, he agreed blank my proposal, he agreed blank me on the issue, they could not agree blank themselves. So its answer is he agreed to my proposals, he agreed with me on the issue, they could not agree among themselves. Okay. The next, exercise number 8, fill in the blank with appropriate conjunctions. क्या रखना है हमें? कंजक्शन. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. वी गॉट इनटू द कंपार्टमेंट बिफोर. मैं आंसर के साथ ही सेंटेंस बोल जा रही हूँ, आप लोगों को ध्यान से सुनना है. ओके. वी गॉट इनटू द कंपार्टमेंट बिफोर द ट्रेन मूव्ड. एवरीबडी एक्सेप्ट रमेश वॉज प्रेजेंट. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड बिकॉज माई हार्ट इज प्योर. ही फिनिश्ड फर्स्ट दो ही बिगन लास्ट. We eat that we may live. Wait till I return. When duty calls, we must obey. I have not met him since Tuesday. I like you better than him. You can take the book if you return it soon. Rama as well as Mohan was present there. He looks as though he were weighing. He will not pay unless he is complied. He deserves success because he worked very hard. He fled lest he should be killed. Okay. Exercise number 8 is complete, and the next exercise number 9. इंसर्ट द एडवर्ब इन द राइट प्लेस इन द सेंटेंस. यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में जो भी एडवर्ब दिया है वो इस सेंटेंस में कहाँ पर आता है वो हमें एडजस्ट करके लिखना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, शी इन्वाइटेड मी टू टी एट हर होम. ब्रैकेट में दिया है ऑफ्टन. सो इट्स आंसर इज शी ऑफ्टन इन्वाइटेड मी टू टी एट हर होम. ओके. द नेक्स्ट, यू नो वेल what I mean. ब्रैकेट में दिया है enough. So its answer is you know well enough what I mean. The next, he lent me ₹100. ब्रैकेट में दिया है only. So its answer is he lent me only ₹100. The next, he does his work ब्रैकेट में दिया है carefully, so its answer is he does his work carefully. The next, I have thought of marrying her ब्रैकेट में दिया है often, so its answer is I have often thought of marrying her. Okay, the next, he speaks the truth ब्रैकेट में दिया है always, so he always speak to the truth. The next, he had got to the top when the rope broke ब्रैकेट में दिया है almost, so its answer is he had almost got to the rope when the rope broke. The next, he makes a mistake ब्रैकेट में दिया है seldom, so its answer is he seldom makes a mistake. The next, I shall miss him, so its answer is I shall certainly miss him. The next, I am determined to yield to his point ब्रैकेट में दिया है never, so its answer is I am determined never to yield to this point. The next, read the following sentences. I have much work, I must finish it by this evening. तो यहाँ पर जो दो सेंटेंस के पेयर दिए हैं, तो इसमें विथ एन इन्फिनिटिव टू प्लस वर्ब यूज़ किया है. मेक वन सिंगल सेंटेंस, दो सेंटेंस यहाँ पर दिया है, पर हमें टू प्लस वर्ब का यूज़ कर एक ही सेंटेंस बनाना है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर दिए हैं, शी वेंट टू द मार्केट, शी सोल्ड हर बुक्स देयर, सो इट्स आंसर इज she went to the market to sell her books there. Okay, the next, workers have come, they will mend the road, so its answer is workers have come to mend the road. Okay, the next, we need some free time, we want to enjoy these movies, so its answer is we need some free time to enjoy this movie. तो एक्सरसाइज 10 जो है वो भी ऐसे ही है, ये जो एग्जाम्पल है वैसे ही हमें इसमें करना है. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, he squandered away all her money, he was very foolish, so its answer is he was foolish enough to squander away all her money. Okay, the next, I speak the truth, I am not afraid of doing so, so its answer is I am not afraid to speak the truth. Okay, the next, he went to Hardwar, he wanted to bath in the Ganga, so its answer is he went to Hardwar to bath in the Ganga. The next, he wants to earn his livelihood, he works hard for it, so its answer is he works hard to earn his livelihood. The next, he has several children, he must provide for them, so its answer is he has several children to provide for them. The next, there are many pending bills, I have to pay them, so its answer is there are several pending bills for me to pay. The next, the headmaster wanted to reform the boy, he punished the boy, so its answer is the headmaster punished the boy to reform him. The next, my mother bought some eggs, she wanted to make an omelette, so its answer is my mother bought some eggs to make an omelette. The next, 9, they have half a dozen bosses, they must obey them all, so its answer is they have half a dozen bosses to obey. The next, he took out his gun, his purpose was to frighten us, so its answer is he took out his gun to frighten us. So your revision test 2 is complete, and I hope you are understanding in this revision test, and you will write in the grammar notebook. Okay.